At ETS, in our industrial chair with T-RIZE, one of the main objectives that we're working on, one of the main topics we're doing is federated learning. So what is federated learning? It's a way for different participants, different actors, each of them possessing their own data, to collaborate in building a global model. So right now, if you look at the recent advances in machine learning, it's large language models, LLM, so you've probably heard of that, you've heard of GPT, for example. So those are not, currently, they are not collaborative, they're not decentralized or distributed in the sense that it's mainly one large organization collecting a lot of data, centrally, aggregating this information to train its own model. Federated learning is an evolution on that. It's a way to create these large models, but in a spirit of collaboration, allowing different actors to participate together in this training process. But of course, what is the main issue here is privacy. It's also the barrier to this collaboration is the fact that the different companies don't want to share this information with each other, more specifically the raw information, and so there's no collaboration happening because of that. So with federated learning, we're proposing an approach to do training. Essentially, each actor, each participant is training locally and then exchange only limited information with each other, essentially the minimum needed about the model, information about the model, not the raw data, in order to aggregate this information to build together these large, powerful models that we know of. So we think of this as an evolution, and now what we want to do next is also think of this for decentralized machine learning. Okay, so in the decentralized version of machine learning, we try to eliminate even the last remaining centralized component in federated learning, which is there's a server which is still collecting all this information. So we could say it's a single point of failure because you still have a coordinator or a primary server here that has to collect all the information to build the model, even though it's not maybe looking or exposed to all the raw data. And so with decentralized machine learning, what we want to do is even this role of a server, we get rid of it and we allow for different ways to replace this methods of aggregation without using a trusted third party. So what is the mechanism, the solution for this? It's essentially blockchain. So we can execute or code a lot of this logic that the federated learning servers were doing into a smart contract, deploy it on a Onchain, on a decentralized network, so that now it's a truly decentralized vision for machine learning. So now you really have all the clients connected together in this blockchain network, sharing the information that they want to share and nothing more than that, and then have the aggregation performed, the generation of the model being performed directly on chain by the smart contract. So this is the goal that we are working towards with the different research objectives of our chair.